Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shafi Hassan.
Last four digit of ID is 1225.
I am a student on your university and I studied the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I have passed my SSC in the Joyprat Shine Cadet School, and also I have passed my SSC in the Gov Shah Sultan College, Bogura. And I live in Dhaka, but my hometown is Bogura. Bogura often referred to as a gateway to North Bengal, is one of the most historical, rich and economical significant district in Bangladesh. Located in Rajshahi division, it play a vital role in the country agriculture, trade and the culture. The city known for vibrant marker, friendly people, and contribute to both the traditional and modern institute. One of Bogura's most famous historical landmark is Mostangar, the oldest archaeological site in Bangladesh, which date back to the 3rd century BCE. This city was once a trade center of trade and government in Bangladesh, and is now a proper distribution for historical and tourism alike. Economical, Bogura is famous for the agriculture and the productivity, particularly is crops like rice, vegetable and potatoes. It is also well known for the sweet historical Bogura Doi, a traditional dessert loved across the country. In recent years, Bogura has also seen significant growth in the small and medium enterprise sector, with business in manufacturing, textile and information technology. Overall, Bogura is a blend of historical progress, a city where the part of present context it reflect and the cultural and improvement of the people of Bangladesh. And I would like to play cricket, football in my free time, and also my hobbies are video editing and ethical hacking. Exploring creativity and technology has always fascinated me and my hobbies. This dual fashion. Video editing and ethical hacking are two areas where I learn, experiment and express myself. Video editing one allow me to bring story of life, where it's editing, cinematic travel, blog, academic content, or dynamic rules for social media. I enjoy shipping raw footage in manufacture meaningful visual narratives through tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and also most popular CapCut. And I have learned to use transition effect and sound design to enhance the viewer experience. This hobby has not only improved my sense of and design, but has also thrown me passionate fashion, or how to pay attentive to detail. Video editing helps me express my creativity and communicative idea effectively through a visual medium.